Hello everyone, we learn how to apply filter by text in Excel. So let's start this my Excel and here you can see I have data. So here first I apply this filter. So simply press the Shift Ctrl L to apply the filters. Okay, here the filter is applied. Then I click on the categories filter, just click on this drop down arrow and click on the text filters option. Here I select the equals and here the one dialog box is open, customize auto filter. Okay, the category. So here I select the click on this drop down arrow and select here the electronics. You can select the and or in or also other category. And just click on OK to select only one category electronics and you can see the filter is applied. Okay, same as I select in the product. So just click on this drop down and text filter. Now I select does not equal. Okay, in does not equal, I select here the just click on this drop down arrow and select here the laptop. Okay, and click on OK. And here you can see other product is filters. And laptop is not showing here because it does not include in filters. Okay, so suppose if you want to clear filter only one column, you can clear it. Okay, suppose I just click on this drop down arrow and I want to clear only category filter. Okay, just click on the clear filter from category, just click on it and you can see the product is still showing, but here the laptop is not showing because I does not include in these filters. Okay, so hope you understood how to apply the filter by text in Excel. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.